So in here we have the Bolivian squirrel monkey, and there's one coming now. He's got some food just here. Here we go. Cute little thing. He's just having his food. There's another one just in there, about to come out. Bolivian squirrel monkey. So they're found in Bolivia, Brazil and Peru. I think there's 2 or 3 of them. That used to be the chickens in that end one there. These are the recent animals that have come here. That path takes you back up to there's the tapirs. You've got the goat in there. And obviously the red squirrel walks at the top.